Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by matching pellet type to your gun and mission. First, chamber the rifle safely and install a verified caliber pellet, 177, 22, or 25 so it fits. Next, weigh the trade-offs. Copper pellets resist deformation and retain energy. Lead pellets deform, seal rifling, and can expand. Once done, test fire a single shot at 10 m to confirm accuracy and seating. Make sure to record velocity and grouping. Those initial numbers guide whether to proceed with copper or lead for your intended use. You now perform the detailed tuning that separates theory from results. First, chronograph 5-10 shots of each pellet material and compute the standard deviation. Lower spread means consistent performance. Then, iterate seating depth and barrel cleaning. Copper likes gentle torque and light polishing. Lead benefits from proper lube and slightly deeper seating to stabilize. Once done, test at 25 yards with scoped aim points and adjust velocity or holdover. Make sure to log group sizes for each brand so you can compare copper versus lead objectively. You finish by balancing accuracy, terminal performance, and maintenance. Choose the pellet that delivered the tightest groups and acceptable retained energy for your task. For hunting, prioritize penetration and expansion. For target, choose minimal wind drift. Once done, schedule cleaning intervals. Copper fouling differs from lead, so adapt solvents and frequency. If accuracy suddenly degrades, inspect the crown, bedding, and pellet diameter consistency. A single bent pellet or fouled crown often explains the issue. Make sure to re-verify with 5 shots after any fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.